Today we're checking out the coolest projector that I've ever tested. It autofocuses, auto-tilts, has a rechargeable battery base, has Bluetooth, a smart home menu with useful apps, and so much more. And this projector comes shipped to your door, ready to bring you some entertainment as well. Inside the box, you have a user manual, a cable to connect your projector and charging base, an accessory bag with remote and cables, a magnetic charging base, and a projector. Set the projector down on the rechargeable base, and the magnet holds it together firmly. The back of the projector has an HDMI port, a USB port, charging base port, as well as a power port. It can also tilt 270 degrees to project your image almost anywhere. To get started, plug the power cable into the projector and then directly into the wall. Next, connect the charging base to the projector, and this will charge your battery as well as power your projector. Then you can push and hold the power button to turn on the projector. Adjust your positioning, and we're ready to test. It has autofocus and an auto perspective change feature, but you can fine-tune it a bit more if you see fit. After you get it dialed in, you can connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then you'll find a smart hub with useful apps pre-installed like YouTube, Prime, and Netflix. There's even an app store where you can add new apps. The projector also has Bluetooth, so you can connect your own sound system or earphones. For my first test, I played some 4K clips from YouTube, and even without a projector screen, the colors are really sharp, and the focus is still really nice and crisp. Now the audio on the projector itself is quiet and kind of tinny. So I definitely recommend using Bluetooth audio. You can have the sound that you're used to and drown out the hum of the projector. So next, I kicked back on the couch and watched some TV shows. Between the Bluetooth headphones and that giant screen, I was definitely locked into the show and had no distractions. It was a great viewing experience. So I had to share and put on some cat games. And the projection was so clear that they believed it was real, diving at the wall to get their prey. Too funny. Now my favorite feature, since the projector has a battery bank, it's portable. You can set up your own outside theater and play a movie anywhere, making this perfect for camping, DIY drive-ins, or other outdoor gatherings. And I've gotta say, it was so cool seeing it projected on our barn. The screen was massive, and I can't wait to use it for some outdoor movie nights. So if you're looking for a nice projector that's affordable, portable, gives you apps, and high quality picture, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go watch some more TV, and think about buying a projector screen. See ya.